Have you ever stumbled upon a product online that seems just a little too perfect? That's exactly how I felt when I discovered Super Diamond Mud Seal, a product that's been gaining massive attention on social media and online marketplaces. Marketed as the ultimate all in one waterproof sealant and putty, it promises to fix wall holes, seal leaks, and even repair metal surfaces with ease. But with so many similar miracle products out there that fail to deliver, I had to dig deeper. Is Super Diamond Mud Seal legit? Or is it just another scam wrapped in good marketing? According to the company, this product is a high strength, moldable mending clay that comes in compact 30-gram packs. It's advertised as easy to use, quick to dry, and capable of blending seamlessly with most wall finishes, whether you're patching drywall from air conditioner installations or sealing up cracks in iron pipes. The product is supposed to handle it all. The instructions recommend applying it on a dry surface and letting it cure for 3 to 5 days before exposing it to water. Sounds promising, but here's where the red flags start to show. The biggest complaint from real users is that the mud seal simply doesn't dry properly. Even after the full recommended curing time, many found it still soft, sticky, and unable to hold its shape, completely defeating the purpose of a sealant. Then there's the waterproof claim, which contradicts itself. While it's promoted as waterproof, the product instructions warn against using it on damp surfaces. That's like selling an umbrella that doesn't work in the rain. Lastly, the product is heavily hyped as being both a strong adhesive and a reliable sealant, but customer feedback says otherwise. It often fails to bond effectively or provide a watertight seal, leaving users frustrated and repairs unfinished. A few users did report decent results when using it for tiny cosmetic fixes in completely dry conditions, but that's hardly enough to outweigh the negative feedback. So, is Super Diamond Mud Seal a game changer? Based on its performance and the misleading claims, it's safe to say it leans more towards scam than solution. If you're serious about repairs, it's probably best to steer clear and choose something more reputable.